Appreciate your time. Great to have you back on the show. So you've been helping us to look back. Help us look forward now, if you could, and talk to us about this whole issue of what was and actually is still sort of the crown jewel for Ping An, which is your literally an army of insurance agents. That army, though, has been shrinking. I don't know if it's going to continue to shrink. I mean, talk us through that and how COVID, et cetera, is affecting that, because this could potentially impact the amount of new business that you're able to generate.
Yeah, that's right. So I think the life insurance market in China continues to be the most attractive. And I think we are very confident for the next kind of, this deep reform should set us fantastic growth for the next 10 years. And the reason I say this is twofold, right? I think it requires a restructuring, one on the distribution side and one on the product side. On the distribution side, as I said, even though we have smaller number of agents, it's become much more higher quality. So you're moving from a pyramid to more an olive shape type of thing. So you can see for overall, our average first year premium per agent has increased 22% despite a smaller agency force. I think that will continue. And then on top of that, we have started to build alternative channels since 2 years ago. We started, non-agency new business only contribute about 9%. It's 15% as of last year, and we expect that contribution to continue. Some of the alternative channels are very promising. For example, one of them, we are very unique in the market. We have this community grid account manager system, whereby we take 30 million of our orphan policy holders, and then we give them to this account manager. We've seen in the 3 pilot city branches that increase persistency ratio as much as 15 to 20 points, and we should expect about covering 20 cities this year. Our bank assurance as well. We have revamped effort over the past 2 years with Ping An Bank. If you look at Ping An Bank, they have 1.1 million wealth management kind of high-end customers. Less than 15% of them really have the insurance penetration. So we expect, again, a huge uplift in this. Now, in addition to the distribution, I think we're also confident with the product, because if you look at the whole Chinese market, by any of the industry experts, it is going to be the largest insurance market, overtaking US by 2030. Right? By 2050, it's going to be 45 trillion yuan kind of market. But to unlock that, you're really looking at top 370 million people, because the nature of the coverage in China is that you have broad kind of government coverage, but quite low. So this 370 million mass mid-market and above, they require not just the insurance financial services product, but differentiated services as well. So that's one of the reasons why we're confident of good growth, because of our unique healthcare ecosystem.